Morning guys, it's about 6:30 and we are going to collect my partner's car today. We need to get a boat, a train, a coach. Should take about 3.5 hours for the coach, about an hour for the train and about 15 minutes for the ferry over to the mainland. But yeah, going to go collect the car today. It's a bit miserable outside, but should all be fine.
5 minutes later.
Which one is it then?
15 minutes later.
Where do you want to sit? We got the whole thing to ourselves.
2 hours later.
One hour later!
Moments later. Hour later. A few moments later.
Right, so we've arrived at the Peterborough Nissan garage, so we're just going to go pick Hannah's car up.
More moments later.
Right guys, so we've just picked up Hannah's Nissan Duke and we're just going to drive it back. First impressions on your Duke?
I love it.
Awesome.
Montage.
Caution, ferry.
Right guys, so we've just arrived in Portsmouth and we're just waiting for the ferry. So that's rounded off our trip up to Peterborough to pick up Hannah's new car, and then we're just getting the car ferry back. So we've managed to do passenger ferry, bus / coach, and then train, and then taxi, and then drive back down, and then get on the car ferry back home. So pretty much everything other than flying today. We're both very tired. We got up this morning at 6:30 and it's now 6:30 again, so we'll be up for 12 hours. So yeah, she's very happy with the car. I'm going to do a full video reviewing the actual car myself once we're sort of settled in and she's had it for a couple of weeks and worked out the things that she likes and doesn't like about it, so I can give you those. Other than that, I'm probably going to end the video here. So cheers for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll leave some video clip of just doing the outside of the vehicle for you. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys. Oh, hello. Hello.